Hi again. What we're going to learn today is how to create a Word document so that you can finally paste all the SketchUp images you are creating, and how to export this as a PDF so that you can upload it in Teams, so that you finally get the final project to upload it in Teams. So first, I'm going to share my screen so that you can follow my explanation better. Okay, I think now it is recording again. And now let's go to see what we are going to do. What we need to do is a document that looks like this, okay? With the 5 figures, okay, and the title block in a PDF document. So the way to do it is by creating a Word document, to opening a Word document, okay? So let's go and create a Word document. New Word document. This is our new Word document. And the first thing is to create the title block. The title block where you are going to include all the information about you, okay? All the information about you, which your name, what is the activity you have to do, the date, the year, the scale, your comments, your school. And this title block is going to be included in all projects that you are going to create, you are going to make for the technology lessons. So let's see how to do it, and then save it and use it. You only have to do it once. So let's go. First, we have to create a table of, for example, 9 cells, 3 times 3. Okay, here. Here is where we are going to put the description of the project, of the activity. So we have to merge all these cells in only one. To do it, you select the 3 of them, you right click, that means click with the right button of the mouse, and then merge the cells. Now we have only one cell, right? Now you type the title of the SketchUp of the figures for exercises 7 and 9. This is okay. Now you can perhaps this font is very small. Then you can do it bigger. And now perhaps if you want to look in the middle, right in the middle, then you select the cell. Again, right click with the mouse and then align cells so that they fit in the middle, right? Even you can put it in bold, okay? Greater than this. Okay, here it is. Now, here we are going to write school. Yes, Alonso de Ercilla. Your name is going to come here. Student, you write here your name. In my case is Santiago, okay? Remember to include always your surname, okay? Not only your name. Here, any comment you want to include about the project. Here we are going to type the date, the year, which is second ESO technology, or second ESO, I don't know, B technology, and here you have to include the scale if you know it. Okay, that is something you are going to learn later, and also that the measurements are in millimeters. Okay, so to make this better, you can also select everything, right click, and say that you want it to be in the middle, okay? And even you prefer it a little bit richer. Good. Now, the only thing that I haven't included is the logo, okay, which is here. Look, okay, the logo of the school. You wanted to include it, so you needed to have it. Of course, you don't have it, you cannot include it. But because I have it here, so you insert image, and then if you have the logo, or you can download the logo, better. Okay, so it is too big. I have to adapt the size to the cell. And now, normally, when you have an image and text, it's better that you adapt, that you select this here. In my case, I'm going to select square so that I can fix the logo and the name of the school together. And now the only thing is to place the title block in the right position of the sheet. Now I have it. Okay. Now let's include the figures. To include the figures, very easy. Insert, image, and then find where the figure is. In my case, I have placed all the figures in a folder called SketchUp. So I include this. Look that it is very big. And it has more than the figure, than the only figure. So I'm gonna crop it. So I select this tool, which is to crop. I crop it. And that's it. And if I want to move the figure to place it in the position I like, better if you select now behind the text, detrás del texto, behind the text. When you select behind the text, you can position the figure wherever you want. Now I want it here. Another one, insert, image. Okay, for example, this one, insert. Again, crop it. Only crop it. Only crop it. No, not move it. Done. And now to move it again behind the text. Good. Now I have it behind the text and next to the other one. And the same with all the figures, with the 5 figures, so that you finally get something like this, okay? With the 5 figures, and why not the SketchUp logo? Yeah, very easy to include. Sorry. To include the SketchUp figure, you only have to insert one of the images that have the SketchUp figure. For example, this one. Okay, this one. So I include it, and now when I crop the rest of the figure, but the SketchUp logo. This is the SketchUp logo. Again, to move it free, detrás del texto, okay, and move it to the position I prefer. And now when I have all the figures, or now, I'm gonna save it. Save as, and then I give it a name. I'm gonna save it again in the SketchUp, in where I have all the SketchUp figures. Okay, so I'm gonna name it SketchUp Project 1 because it's the first project, or 01 because it's the first project of SketchUp. Okay, and this is to work with it. But if you want to upload this document, instead of uploading the Word document, you have to upload the PDF document. How do you create a PDF? To create a PDF, you have to go to Save As again, Save As, guardar como, and come here and select a PDF, okay, with the same name but a PDF document. You save it in the same place, and for example, you include your name or your surname, Diaz, okay. Second, save it, and then here in the SketchUp you have the activity I have created, that is the SketchUp project 01 Diaz second B. If I open this, okay, it looks equal that the Word document, but cannot be modified, okay, and it doesn't depend of the version of Word. Okay, with this, I have finished my tutorial today. I think you can watch the video as many times as you need it and try to do it, okay? Remember to save while you're working. You don't need to finish everything in Word to save it. Better save it as many times as you need it. And see you next video. Thank you for watching.